Hello and welcome to lesson 5-7. We're going to use sharing to divide. We're on page 193 in your Envision book. And we're going to start with solve and share at the top. After this lesson, during this lesson, we're going to sort objects into equal sized groups to divide. So solve and share says a class collected $238 to be distributed equally to 2 charities. How much money will each charity receive? Use objects or draw pictures to help solve this problem. Then explain how you found your answer. If we count the money here, we have 100 and 100 makes 200, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So $238 we have here. We need to divide it into 2 charities. So we are going to, I'm just going to make a purple group and the gray group. Okay, so each of them get a $100 bill. Then I'm going to divide our tens. One for the purple, one for the gray group. We have an extra one there. We'll wait till the end to decide. Let's count our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if we have 8 ones, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Each group will get $4. Now, everything's divided except for this last $10 bill. I know that if I divide a $10 bill into 2 $5 bills, each group could have a 5. So we'll cross that 10 out, divide it into a $5 bill and a $5 bill. That means that the purple group has 100 plus 10 plus 5 plus 4 ones, 119. If we did the same for the gray group, 100, they should have the same thing, a 10, a 5, and 4 ones. We add that up. Again, we get 119. So each of the charities is going to get $119. We did this by using money because we were dividing money. We could have used place value blocks. This is 100. This could be our 100, 200, 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We could have done it that way. And again, we would divide. Each of the charities gets a 100. Each gets a 10. Each gets 4 ones. With that extra 10 that we could divide up, we're going to break that 10 up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. So this 10 is no longer here. It's now 5 ones. 5 of the ones go to the gray group, 5 to the purple. So purple is 100 plus 10 plus now I have 4 in this group and 5 over here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is 9 total ones, which is still 119. Gray group the same. 100, 10. So 100, a 10, and then 4 ones, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. We still get 119. So you can use your place value models. 100s are the squares, the 10s are the 10 sticks, and the ones. You could use money. You can use any strategy that is helpful for you. All right, so you will be doing page 194 with your visual learning video. And we are going to look at another example on page 195 together. We're going to find 55 divided by 4. Divide the tens equally into 4 groups. Regroup one 10 as 10 ones and then divide the ones equally into 4 groups. there are 3 ones left over. So 55, each group 10, 20, 30, 40. So that's gone, 10, 20, 30, 40 is gone. We've got a 10 left. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So we've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 left. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Notice that we have 3 extra that wouldn't fit equally into the 4 groups. So 55 divided by 4 is 10, 11, 12, 13, with a remainder of 3. So let's draw a picture to explain why 423 divided by 3 is equal to 141. So we are going to draw hundreds, 3, 4 hundreds, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3. We need 3 equal groups. We are going to divide these into 3 equal groups. So let's put 100 and 100 and 100, 1 in each group. We have 100 left over. We're not going to do anything with that yet. We have 2 10s, so we can't divide that yet. We've got our 3 1s. So each group is going to get 1, 1. That divides equally. So what do we need to do? We can't do anything as it stands, but we can break apart that 100 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10s. We already had 2 10s. 1, 2. That makes 12 10s. So those are our 100 plus 2 10s makes 12 10s. I know 12 divided by 3 is 4, so each of my groups is going to get 4 10s. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So all 12 of my 10s have been divided equally into these 3 groups. So 423 divided by 3 is 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 1. 141. No remainders, we used everything. Number 2, the art teacher displayed 48 paintings on 3 walls. If each wall had the same number of paintings, how many paintings were on each wall? Again, we're going to start with 4 10s and 8 1s. We're going to put those on 3 walls. 1, 2, 3. So we've got a 10, 20, 30. So we use 3 of those 10s. We've got 8 1s to divide up by 3. 8 divided by 3, 3 times 3 is 9, so that's too many, so we can only put 2 in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4, 5, 6 of those are gone. So we're left with a 10 and 2 1s. We need to break apart this 10 into 1s. So 10 1s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, plus the 2 we had left over, 11, 12. 12 can be divided equally among 3 as 4 in each group. So we add 4 to each group. 4 more. We already had 2. So those are now equally divided. We have no remainders left here. We use them all. So that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Same in each group, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 48 divided by 3 equals 16. There will be 16 paintings on each wall. Number 3 and 4 tell how many are in each group and how many are left over. Use place value blocks or draw pictures as needed. So number 3, we have 176 magazines divided equally into 5 boxes. So we can draw our 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 176. And we need to divide that equally into 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can't do anything with the 100 as it is. We're going to break that apart into 10 more tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 tens equals 100. Plus we already had 7. So now we have 10 plus 7 tens. We have 17 tens to divide it by 5. 17 divides by 5 3 times. So we're going to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. We've used all but 2 of our tens. We've used 15 out of the 17. Now the ones and the tens can be combined. We can turn our 10 ones into 20 ones, plus 6 more makes 26. 26 divides evenly by 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So we've used 25 out of the 26 ones. So we have a remainder of 1. So each of the 5 boxes will have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 remainder, or 1 left over. Number 4, 56 marbles divided into 3 bags. So again, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. We have 3 bags. One and 10 in each bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our 6 ones are gone. Now we just have 2 tens to divide up into these 3 bags. 2 tens is 20. We know that 20 divided by 3 is almost 7, but 7 is too much. It's 21. So we could have to go 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And we had 20, so we have a remainder of 2. So each bag will receive 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 with a remainder of 2. So 56 divided by 3 is 18, remainder 2. You'll do the same after your visual learning video and independent practice. You can draw place value models. If you preferred partial quotients from yesterday, you may do that as well. Whatever strategy works best for you, just give this a try a couple of times. They've already started it for you, and then you can decide. Your assignment is to do 5 through 8 on 195, then on the back 14 and 15. Then of course you'll do your quick check to finish the day. Bye.